short route to goal. And a goal! That will do it! They've been pushing for it, and now they've...
Excitement is off the scale, and the anticipate... Well, hello to you, and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EATV. My name's Guy Mowbray. I'm joined by Sue Smith in the commentary position, and we've got action for you from the Bundesliga today. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, being in and around the ground before kick-off, the fans are buzzing. They can't wait for this game, so hopefully it's a fast-paced, entertaining match.
Here's how the home side lines up.
They are lining up in a 4-3-3 system, and with this, it naturally creates triangles.
Oh, just hold on, this could be a goal. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. It's a lovely ball. There might be something building now. And the defender in the right place to stop it. An infringement spotted. Free kick. Teeing up the chance now. This to see them lead. Must finish. The effort shut out. Dennis Geiger. Just breaking off for a moment here because Alex has a goal for us at the Bay Arena.
Yep, it's a goal for Leverkusen. Could the goalkeeper have done better? Yes, but let's not take nothing away from that finish. It's now 1-0 with 33 minutes played.
Thanks to Alex for the update. Oh, could be a chance here. And the chance slips away. Oh, what a chance this could be. The goalkeeper ready for now, surely. But he can't prevent the follow-up. No wonder he's furious. And he's got every right to ask questions of the defence. Where on earth were they?
Well, here we can see the replay. This is what you always get taught to do as a kid. Look for that far post, make it difficult for the goalkeeper, and always follow in. That's what happened, and that's why they get the rewards.
Good work to beat the challenge. Can they make something of this? Chance to score! But he can't do anything to keep that one out. You can see the frustration, tinged with fury at not getting more protection from those in front.
Well, you can see here it's a good shot to the far post, and all the goalkeeper can do is parry the ball. Great reactions from the goal scorer to follow in and put the ball in the back of the net. Good goal.
That's a good pass. And taken cleanly. Well, that brings the match to a close. A frustrating day for the fans in attendance. And it's 3 points dropped.
They certainly weren't at their best today. The passing just wasn't incisive enough. They kept getting caught in possession. And they'll know...
Our cameras on one man, in a rich vein of form, and #1 on the scoring charts. Hello and welcome to a city that often gets overshadowed by nearby Frankfurt, but of course is a football city in its own right. We're in Mainz. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for expert analysis by Sue Smith. And we have live action from the Bundesliga coming right up. What might we see today?
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off, though, and they start quickly. But I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully...
Now maybe the really short route to goal. And a goal! That will do it! They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
Well, this is so smooth. Look how he slips past his marker. But even then, it's far from easy. He does just enough under pressure and then finishes it brilliantly. It's a really nice goal.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Lang. Read it well. Lang. Tom Kraus. Lang. Kraus. Well, a passing sequence that's easy on the eye.
Yeah, they're keeping it so well, aren't they?
Cornelius. Hanke Olsen. Oh. How did they let that attack come to an end? And so the referee blows for full time and it goes down as a victory for the visitors.
Yeah, there wasn't much in it, to be honest. It was a real competitive game. There were chances at both ends, and they probably just about edged it overall, though.
Managers stand or fall on the big decisions, and leaving a star artist on the bench is certainly one of those. The team sheets are in. There's no turning back now. Hello to you and welcome along to Augsburg with the VW Arena, your venue for today's game. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary, and we've got action for you from the Bundesliga today. What can we expect from the game then?
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off though and they start quickly, but I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully I've not just cursed it.
To do something here. Good cross into the middle, but that hasn't worked as planned. Claimed by the keeper. We've seen another brilliant start here, clearly getting the upper hand tactically once again.
Oh, definitely. They played their cards right in each encounter so far, haven't they?
Hearing now developments at Europa Park Stadion. Alex Scott has goal news.
Yes, it's a goal for Borussia Dortmund. It was a nice pullback, a low-driven shot. They couldn't do anything about that one. They've scored the opener here with 12 minutes on the clock.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing. And the keeper does well to keep it out. Well, they got the deal done, and now it's time to see what he'll bring to the team. What are we going to see on his debut?
Well, he's here to provide goals, isn't he? Plain and simple.
Oh, goal here maybe! And that was a great chance for the opener.
Guy, how are they not 1-0 up? He has to be clinical in that position. He looks absolutely gutted.
Claude Maurice. Good vision. And played in now. It might still happen. Oh, yes, it's a ripper. There was no margin for error with that. It's a quite wonderful hit.
Yeah, it's a great strike. What a rocket. He catches...
Closed it down well. Something on from this. Onto it, in on goal, in it goes, level once again. What a game this is turning out to be.
Well, just look how he gets his head up, spots the run. It's a lovely pass. And once it falls to him like that, it's a routine finish, cool and clinical.
And that brings the first half to a close here at the VW Arena. after a job well done. Oh, really good try, just over.
Well, this takes a lot of practice on the training ground. He's perfected his technique, but it's just over the bar this time. It's not that far away.
Promising move this, a goal now would surely be the winner. And that's a really alert bit of goalkeeping. 10 minutes left for play. Oh, could be here. That has stopped any potential danger. Well, this is a bit of a scramble.
Yeah, they're just not on the same wavelength, are they?
Time to cross to Alex Scott for a moment. News of a penalty in another game.
Well, Dortmund were awarded the penalty, and it only went and hit the bar, but it went in. They are now behind 2-1 with under 5 minutes left to play.
As ever, thank you, Alex. Delivered into the box. And he went for power, but he got it all wrong. It's missed by a distance. Substitution coming up. It's more or less next goal wins time. Could this be it? And that is the final.
This is the kind of occasion we all relish as football fans. And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And on this day, the 5th of November, we hope to be able to bring you illuminating football action. What are your expectations for today?
Yeah, I'm expecting plenty of fireworks on the pitch, at least from the players. It should be a good game, though. I'm looking forward to this one.
The lineup then for the hosts.
Well, it's a back four, a narrow midfield three, and a very disconnected front three. But if the midfield players give good support to the central striker, this 4-3-3 system could work really well today.
Well, they keep the ball moving. But then the commentator's curse comes into play. Couldn't keep the move going. Well, the numbers really speak for themselves, and the home side boasting the best defensive record in the league. They're going to be very hard to break down, you just feel.
Well, they've been so well organised defensively. They press the ball from the front, the midfield players work really hard, and the defence are so disciplined. They're just so hard to break down.
Just straying offside. Well, it's a good-looking position. Is there a goal in the future? He's in here. Oh, my goodness! He's caught that so well! A goal of the highest class. Fantastic technique.
Well, that is a brilliant strike. Just look at the connection he makes. That's how to hit a ball. It's a magnificent goal.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Ginter. Clever defending. Dan Ndoye. It's with Petit. And there is it added on. The referee blows for full time. It ends in a victory for the home team. No complaints from the fans here.
Well, once more, their defensive display was so good. They just know exactly what their jobs are, where they should be at any given time.
teams ready to face off in a clash that will captivate fans across the globe. The tension's building, and this is one you won't want to miss. Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Stuttgart's Par Arena. It's twice been the venue for the European Cup final, or as we know it today, the Champions League final. And joining me, Guy Mowbray, for commentary is the midfielder turned expert analyst Stuart Robson. And we've got action for you from the Bundesliga today. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, pinning the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Oh, just hold on, this could be a goal. Oh dear, seemed to get lost in the chance there. Should have scored. Well, the manager's had the upper hand in past encounters, hasn't he?
Yeah, but I'm not sure that means too much today. This is a totally different game.
Here's the Stuttgart team sheet.
Well, it's a 5-2-3 formation to start with, but expect a lot of rotation between the front three and the wing-backs to break forward at every opportunity.
Room to do something here. There's one left behind. Not so much given away as cleverly won.
That's really good awareness there.
It's no surprise to see who we focused on as our player to watch in this game. You would presume that he'd play a really big part.
Well, he's the creative spark for this team. He can drift past defenders, he can pick a pass, and he's got that pace off the mark. And I'm sure we're going to see that again today.
And the forward progress continues. For the lead. Terrific chance. And there's the first goal of the match. Deadlock broken.
Well, that's poor defending. Whichever way you look at it, they should have stopped that.
Only building now. The whistle goes, and it's going to be a penalty. Comes a change to extend the lead. It's too high, over the bar.
Well, he's looking at the ground. Did his foot slip? I don't know. I just don't think he got over it.
Just to level it. Denied, defending of the highest caliber. Well, with time running out, can they take advantage from this corner? Crowded box, but the keeper took charge. How to play, throw in to come. They have to make something count from this. And it's on now. To get it away too. Could take things forward a notch here. Well, that brings the match to a close. A frustrating day for the fans in attendance, and it's 3 points dropped.
Not quite good.